All Biafrans and lovers of freedom worldwide, welcome to another breaking news in Nigeria today. Today being 31st of August 2001. The headline is Stay on Guard. Ohaneze use warn Igbo Christian officers. The news in details. The Apex Youth Organization in Igbo land, Ohaneze Youth Council, OYC, has advised Igbo and Christian security officers in various departments in Nigeria to consistently stay on guard. Oh my goodness. You see, this is one Nigeria for you. This is one Nigeria for you. Oh my goodness. The group charged all Christian leaders, Catholics, Anglican, Methodists, bishops, all other general overseers of teeming churches to awaken from their slumber, warning against envisaged impending assassination of more Christians in various sectors in a couple of weeks if nothing was done to avert same. The council gave the advice through its national president, Comrade Igbo Ayaka or Igbo Ayaka, in an interactive session with newsmen in Owerri on Tuesday after extended security meeting of the council as regards the rising security challenges in Nigeria. Comrade Igbo Ayaka noted that the killings of MC Okoronkwo by bandits at Nigeria Defence Academy Kaduna was a clear proof that the Igbos and Christian security officers working for the Nigerian government are targeted for extinction, annihilation, mining, and slaughtering by the organized Fulani militia, known otherwise known as bandits, and the Boko Haram, who have been terrorizing other ethnic nationalities in the country. Oh my goodness, things are happening. According to the embattled youth leader, the gruesome killing of Lieutenant MC Okoronkwo is a launching of ethnic cleansing of Igbo and Christians in military, navy, air force, police, and other security forces in Nigeria. His words: the manner of killing of Lieutenant Chinechelem Okoronkwo and how the bandits displayed the video of his corpse is quite inciting to Igbo and the Christian community. This manner of killing won't stop in military, navy, police force, and other security departments if the Igbo and Christian security agents keep mute without any proactive measures. The killing of Igbo and Christian force men in Nigerian Security Department will hence take different dimensions. Some will look like accident, mistake, banditry, kidnapping, killing, and die in disguise of felling Boko Haram, Ibuanyeka revealed. Speaking further, he lamented thus, it is regrettable that over 30 million Igbo youths, governors, senators, reps members, ministers, senior officers in the Nigeria Security Department of Igbo extraction have not raised questions is to investigate the circumstances leading to Lieutenant M.C. Okoronkwo's death. All Christian leaders, Catholics, Anglicans, and Methodist bishops, all other general overseers of the teeming churches must wake up now, because in subsequent weeks and months, more Igbos and Christian security officers may be assassinated. Are you hearing what he said? They are working to weaken the internal and external security of Nigeria, as they have penetrated even the security intelligence. What's going on in Nigeria is not a mere security of societal crime, but there is a state-calculated crime against Igbo and Christians at large in Nigeria. Things are happening in Nigeria every minute and second. You understand what he said here? He's warning Igbos in Nigerian security forces, be it Army, Navy, Air Force, Police, that your life is at stake, that you can be killed any moment. So the best thing for you is to resign from Nigerian security forces and come and support Biafra restoration. If not, they will kill you. If they can enter Nigerian Defense Academy, the most secure place in Nigeria, and kill some Biafrans there, you are nobody anywhere. You can be killed as an Igbo officer, as a Christian officer in Nigeria Army. So Igbo use, unless they use our current Igbos to be conscious. But personally, how can you be conscious in the midst of your enemies? How? The only way is to run away from them. To resign and run away. If not, they will get you. Once you are targeted, they will get you. So this is a call is for Igbos now that I don't care about what is happening. I don't support Biafra restoration. Your days are numbered over there. So I'm calling everybody, if you have a brother or sister that stay in Nigerian Army, Police, Navy, Air Force, warn him that his days are numbered. It's better for him to resign now. Thanks very much for listening.